So, you ready to buy a home yet? Before you start your search, there are two crucial terms that you need to understand: pre-qualification and pre-approval. And there's a big difference. Hi, I'm Michael Vrlaku, your preferred mortgage partner at REDBO. I've helped thousands of buyers secure financing for their homes, and I'm also the founder of the REDBO Communities Foundation, dedicated to expanding affordable home ownership. One of the very first steps I always recommend is getting pre-approved for a mortgage and understanding why it's so much stronger than a simple pre-qualification. A pre-qualification is a quick initial assessment. You provide some basic financial information, your income, estimated credit score, and a lender gives you a rough estimate of how much you might be able to borrow. It's like a best guess, but it's not a guarantee. Pre-approval, on the other hand, is the real deal. We verify your income, assets, and credit history with actual documentation, pay stubs, tax returns, bank statements. Your file is reviewed by an underwriter, the person who actually approves your loan. Because a pre-approval letter carries weight, it shows the sellers that you're a serious, qualified buyer whose financing is likely to go through in a competitive market, especially if you're considering to buy a for sale by owner, where the seller's probably handling the negotiations themselves. A pre-approval gives you a significant advantage. But we take it a step further. My team and I actually employ a very strategic and effective approach. We proactively contact the listing agent or the physical seller directly when our buyers submit an offer. We do this because ultimately, both listing agents and for sale by owners, the sellers themselves, they want the same thing, a successful sale, right? So we let them know that our buyer is fully approved, not just pre-qualified, and that we're committed to open communication and a streamlined process. This builds trust and confidence, and it often gives the buyers a competitive advantage. And as a REDBO user with access to HomeBot, getting pre-approved is never easier. You can connect directly with me and my team through the platform or call me directly to start the process. Full pre-approval combined with our proactive outreach means a smoother, faster, and more confident home buying experience. You'll know exactly what you can afford, you'll be able to make a stronger offer, and you'll avoid the disappointment of having a deal fall through because of financing issues. Now, before I end this, I want to mention one more free tool we provide to our buyers. It's called the Target Rate Tracker. This powerful tool lets you monitor mortgage rates in real time and set a target for your ideal rate or monthly payment. Once your target is reached, you'll get an instant alert, giving you the opportunity to even lock in your rate quickly, sometimes before having finalized your specific property. It's all about giving you the edge in a dynamic market. Reach out to me and my team, and we're happy to help you every step of the way. Let's make your homeownership dreams a reality.